Hello everyone, my name is Jairo Madrona and I will be presenting my Module 1 exam, Part 1. So this is my abbreviated notation and I include some illustration for reference. So let's analyze what the system does. So first I have here a start button. So if I'm going to press start, pump A will be activated. So the liquid will flow to the tank. Okay, so let's try to simulate. That's the first sequence. So I'm going to press start. Pump A will be activated. Okay, so take note of this lamp. So this is to simulate that pump A is activated. So I will press start. Okay, so pump A is now activated. So liquid will flow through this pump. Okay, to that filling up this tank. So eventually, this first level switch will be activated, right? Since water will start to rise. So let's simulate that one. So I have here the switch to simulate that level switch sensor. So let's try to activate this one. Okay, so I will hold. Okay, so it's now activated. Okay, water will start to flow or to rise rather. So eventually it will hit this high level switch. So once it hits this high level switch, your pump B will be activated, adding some additives to your liquid. And take note, it will only last for 10 seconds. Okay, so if I'm going to press this high level switch, your pump B will be activated. Of course, pump A will be deactivated. But take note, pump B will be only activated for 10 seconds. So we have a delay of 10 seconds. After that, your stirrer and heater, so these two, will be activated. Okay, so again, I will press this one. Pump B will lights on. After 10 seconds, it will turn off and activate the stirrer and heater. Okay, so let's try that one. So let's say again, the liquid starts to rise, hitting now your high level switch. Okay, so I will press. Okay, so pump B is activated, but for 10 seconds only. So you can count, so let's say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so after 10 seconds, so your mixture now, that is your liquid and some additives, will be heated. So your stirrer and heater will be activated. Okay, so and that is only up to 60 degrees. After 60 degrees, of course, your heater and stirrer will deactivated. It will turn off. So to simulate that one, let's say the temperature now inside the tank is 60 degrees. So your heater can sense that. So we have thermostat, of course, to check the temperature. Let's say it's now 60 degrees. So if I'm going to press this one, so your heater will stop and stirrer will stop heating and stirring your mixture. Then your pump C, this one will be activated. So the liquid will flow to the pump C, or will flow to the tube, so which is controlled by your pump C. Okay, so I will again simulate this one. So if I'm going to press, this will be deactivated. Pump C will turn on. So take note of this lamp. So I will press now. Okay, so pump C is now activated. So water will start to flow. So it will start to decrease its height, right? So eventually your high level switch will be deactivated since water is now decreasing. Okay, so let's simulate that one. I will click high level switch. So it's now deactivated, and eventually it will also deactivate your low level switch. So if that happens, meaning there's no liquid anymore in the tank, and that will also turn off your pump C. Okay, so I will click the low level switch. So this pump C will be turned off. Okay. So that's how the system works. And you can repeat your process. So I will go into press start. Okay, so your pump A is now activated. So liquid will start to flow again. So hitting your low level switch. Okay. Or let's hold this one. Okay, so hitting that low level switch. So it will try to increase up to the high level switch. It will start to rise. Okay, so I am now in pump B. So if I'm going to, the purpose of stop is to, of course, reset the system. So let's say you are now in the stirrer and heater sequence. So if I'm going to press stop, okay, so it will reset the whole system. Okay, so that's how this system works. And for my functional block diagram, so we can open this one. So this is my functional block diagram. So I have here my inputs, and these are my outputs. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.